What is Jenna taking pictures?
Video, stop talking.
If you told me you were gonna...
What's that?
You told me you were gonna...
No, I like to work by myself. Okay, we're gonna remove our back wheel, 27 spanner. Could have used a ratchet with a socket if we wanted to. Okay. Just get on the other side. Thing 2 maybe. Yep. Okay. There we get our mallet. Phone ringing. Good man. Yes. Okay. Axle's out. We're gonna get this either electroplated or chromed. I'm still deciding. We're on nut this side. Here's our nut. Now we can slide our wheel out. Make sure it doesn't fall off our motocross there. There's our rear tensioner to adjust your chain. You can also see it needs to be plated, nice and rusty. Just like we like it. There's the other one. This one, the stud's broken off inside the swing arm, which is something I'll sort out. You can also see the swing arm bobbin on this side is on, and this side it's broken out. Come around. No, you can't go upside down.
I can.
No, you can't. Come.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's snapped off inside, so we're going to have to maybe weld on a nut and screw it out, or drill it out. I prefer to try weld the nut on it first. But yeah, we will have a look at that. Okay. Paint's all peeled off. There goes our wheel spacer. That'll also get plated. Sprocket up, pull that out, another spacer in there. Probably send the hub in for polishing, maybe get a new back sprocket. This one's not in bad condition. Maybe we can get this one plated or chromed or something. There's our sprocket rubbers. Looks like they got paint on them. One. Just leave those with my hub. Two. Then I'll also be knocking these bearings out of the wheels so we can send the wheels in for painting, and then we'll get rid of these old tires and get ourselves some new rubber. Once I've sent all this stuff in, I'll start ordering the parts for the motor, and then we'll start tearing the motor down so we can get into that. That's the main reason why this bike was parked. Okay. Last but not least. Okay. You can actually hear the paint peeling. You can zoom in on it a little bit. You actually see the paint peeling off. It wasn't painted well at all. Okay, that's all done that side. Come to this side. Our rear disc is quite badly worn. That's part of the reason why the caliper is stuck. pads aren't completely worn out, but they're badly rusted, so we'll have to replace that as well. We're going to get this bracket polished, get these bolts plated, we'll get this plated, we'll get the banjo bolt. We might change the banjo bolts for titanium ones, and then we'll have a look at all these shafts. We'll get our pistons out, we'll get our caliper powder coated in black again, and then maybe even gold, because that'll look a lot nicer. And then we'll rebuild our calipers. Looks like our pistons are quite rusted as well, but that we'll do in another video. Here's our wheel spacer. We'll get ourselves a new seal this side as well. Get a flat screwdriver and pull that seal out. Just give it a little twist. Patient with it. There's our seal. There's our bearing. Okay. Now we can remove our disc. So what we did is we get a nice long power bar, because these are quite tight, and we got ourselves a 6mm Allen key socket, 3/8 one with an adapter to get it from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. We just give it a nice pull. That one's quite tight. There we go. This one's a bit stripped. There we go. Somebody had a go at that one in the past. There we go. And once we've done that, we can get our tool gun. Don't even need to impact it because it's loose now. Just like that. Here we go. Now this will need to be replaced. It has seen better days. Okay, we'll get our bolts plated nicely. And then yeah, I'll get the tires taken off tomorrow and get the bearings taken out tomorrow. But that's pretty straightforward, the bearings, just knock them out. Let's carry on with the chassis.